Did you know 2024 was the first year global temperatures officially crossed 1.5 degree danger mark? And that's exactly why COP30 in Brazil became one of the most crucial meetings of our decade. Let's break it down simply with me, Lekhit. So before we deep down into COP30, remember COP means Conference of Parties. These are annual global meetings where 195 plus countries come together to fight climate change. So COP30 took place in Belém, Brazil, near the Amazon rainforest, one of the planet's biggest carbon sinks. And the timings was symbolic, like it's been 10 years since the Paris Agreement, like it was in 2015. 2024 became the first year we crossed 1.5 degree threshold, and pressure is now higher than ever to ACT, not just talk. What actually happened at COP30 meeting? First is focus on implementation. Brazil pushed a new narrative, less promise, more implementation, and the theme was Mutirão. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. That means coming together. Second is divided world, that is two blocks. So COP30 again exposed the global divide. Developed countries pushing for a hard phase out of fossil fuels, and developing countries including petrostates demanding more finances, more fairness, and clean energy is important, but so is development. COP30 again exposed the global divide, that is the developed countries pushing for a hard phase out fossil fuels, and developing countries including petrostates demanding more finances and more fairness, because clean energy is important but so is development, and the tension is ongoing. Third is renewed priority, adoption and just transition. So with US largely absent this year at COP30 spotlighted first is adoption, preparing for rising heat, floods, cyclones, and just transitions, ensuring workers and communities don't suffer during these energy shifts. So countries basically just wanted climate action that is practical and fair. So the question is why COP30 matters for you and me. Even though COP outcomes often seem slow and political, the truth is COP is humanity's only platform to prevent climate catastrophe. So what does COP30 teach us? The world knows what needs to be done, the science is clear, the risks are real, but only when all countries, big or small, rich or poor, come together, we can fight this climate crisis. So this is Lekhit, and this was Lekhit Explains. Stay tuned for next updated current affairs.